ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Step into paradise at Mausen Telang Nongwar. Your sustainable escape into nature's heart.
Ubah Preston song beriu sembut Menteri Rangba ke Jela ubah kemi ekatanat kampo yeng hakish powder ujemang arajar posau ulit ho bagi Pulit ki belayu apdiang ke Jahar no Assistant Inspector General Berim ketanat Pulit ubah Gabriel yang rai kala register case bagi jing Tohkit bentah kala ya Chakman. Hakish keran bagi lapatai kubor ubah Preston ulang bakat kum ngejus ngot ho jong ubah yang rai ula ujor Jahar lo ke case Berim ya ke bagi yang bishar kampat ai rai haduk bentah.
Relating to that fake number plate or something. So now the case has been registered and the investigation has just started. So please give space, let the investigation be on, and thereafter let the law takes it. So how can I predict or how can I say anything like that? But for us, our duty is what? When FIR was filed, we need to attend to this, and the attention of the government has been drawn. That's what I'm telling you, we have already registered. We have already registered, and then the investigation has just started. This investigation has just started. Okay? That is the action right now. Investigation has just started. As I said to you now, don't ask that question, because see, me or you, we cannot come to a conclusion. Because see, once we register, as I said to investigation, after investigation, we have to again file affidavit to the court about the detailed investigation that we made. So they'll tell you, we'll be able to know exactly when the court says yes, this is wrong or this is right. FIR, I think the person who filed FIR, he draw the line again to the old case. And this old case, it becomes existing case because the court has yet to decide anything. So I will not reply on that at all because the case is still on. So let the court decide.